This video is for the right pedal crank. The left pedal crank is in the opposite direction. Remove the plastic shell. Put the tools together. Put the hexagonal tool on the crank on the right side and turn it counterclockwise until the screw is unscrewed. If you find that the screw is too tight to screw out, you need to use the front and rear legs as leverage. The round tool on the crank, turn it clockwise to the end. And then turn the hexagonal tool clockwise to the end. The crank can be removed. If you also encounter the crank is too tight to screw out, you need to use the front and rear legs as leverage, using the principle of leverage to screw out. Press the new crank onto the bearing. It needs to be pressed down to the bottom. Screw in the screw clockwise with the hexagonal tool and screw it to the bottom. You can also use the front and rear legs as leverage to screw it. Install the plastic shell. Right side with right pedal, right crank clockwise. Left side with left pedal, left crank counterclockwise.